Hi, my name is Chad Ostrom. I am the owner and brewmaster here at Brewing in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin. Making a great beer is 100% cleaning. So today we're going to actually be cleaning with our 919 brewery cleaner from Safecid. This is what we use basically to clean up after ourselves, whether it be a fermenter, brew kettle, our brewery floors I'll even use it on, and this also is what we use in the beer lines. When we clean the fermenters, it's a lot of detail. You have to make sure you are cleaning every aspect. You have to take the equipment apart, make sure it's all 100% clean. So we'll pull the fermenter apart, hose out, make sure we don't have any yeast hiding in any of the nooks and crannies, and then we'll fill the fermenter up with hot water and add the caustic, and then start our cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. So the top 3 reasons that I would use Safecid by far is the safety component of it. It works better than most of the traditional cleansers. It's equivalent to sodium hydroxide, if not better, but it's safe. Safecid is 100% safe. I can stick my hand in it at full concentration and not worry about losing a hand. I've had it splashed in my eyes at full concentration and I still have both my eyes. It's a great product from a safety standpoint. So the second reason that I would use Safecid is just for the cleaning power of it. It has the same cleaning capability as commercial grade cleaners like sodium hydroxide, but the cleaning power of Safecid is by and far superior. The third part with Safecid products is with the fact that they are a 000 MSDS. Shipping is not an issue. You don't have to worry about hazardous material being transported. That's a huge concern, especially from a shipping standpoint. We use the beer line cleaner as well here to make sure that we are getting the best beer we can out of our taps, and we use it pretty much everywhere we can.